Thank you for joining us today for the presentation of our project, the Slide Sense Landslide Detector System. Today we will take you through the component working principle and innovation system. Firstly, let's see the demonstration and the working of the project.
Let's start with the components used in our project. Arduino UNO 60x12 LCD module, soil moisture sensor, jumper wire, buzzer, LED are the components used in our project.
The slide sense system is made to provide safety to landslide prone area. It's continuously monitor, measure to detect possible landslide. How the system works. The soil moisture sensor is kept in the soil. It's continuously measure the resistance in the soil. When soil moisture reaches 65%, it triggers the alarm mechanism.
Why do we set the alert 65% in soil moisture? At this moisture level, the soil stability decreases significantly. It is critical point where the soil becomes more likely to landslide.
When the system detects landslide, the buzzer rings loudly. LED lights up to give alert, and the LCD display detect means landslide.
When there is no landslide, LCD display is not detected. There is no alert, giving the peace of mind.
Let's talk about the key advantages of our landslide detector system. The advantages are detection of possible landslide, increased safety in dangerous area, cost effective and easy to deploy.
Our system has application in various scenarios, but the major and practical application is in residential area in landslide possible region. In conclusion, the landslide detector system is valuable tool in reducing the risk associated with landslide. It's a cost-effective solution that can save life and property.
Thank you.